Listen to me, because we need to have a serious talk about your retirement dreams. You have worked 40 years, you have saved, you have sacrificed, and now you're looking at Florida. You're thinking about the sunshine, the golf courses, and that beautiful no state income tax sign at the border. But I am telling you right now, if you walk into Florida with your eyes closed, you are going to walk right into a financial nightmare. I want you to understand that no income tax does not mean no cost. The state of Florida has to get its money from somewhere, and if they aren't taking it from your paycheck or your Social Security, they are going to take it from your house, your car, and your peace of mind. We are talking about a sunshine tax that is hidden in the fine print, and if you don't account for it, you will run out of money before you run out of retirement. Let's talk about the biggest elephant in the room, insurance. You see the news. You see the hurricanes. But do you see your bank account? In 2026, the average homeowner's insurance premium in Florida has skyrocketed to over $8,000 a year. That is more than $600 a month just to protect the roof over your head. And that's if you can even find a company willing to insure you. Many people are being forced onto the state-backed insurer of last resort, and let me tell you, that is not where you want to be. And don't think for a second that your HOA is going to stay the same. If you buy a condo, you are at the mercy of new structural integrity laws. These laws aren't suggestions, they are requirements. If your building needs a new roof or a foundation repair to meet 2026 standards, you could be hit with a special assessment of $20,000, $50,000, or even $100,000. Do you have that kind of cash sitting in a liquid account? If you don't, you're not retiring, you're losing your home. Now, let's talk about property taxes. You hear that Florida's rates are moderate, around 0.8% to 1%. That sounds fine on paper, right? But here is the fear, the reassessment trap. When you buy that beautiful $500,000 home from a couple who lived there for 30 years, they might be paying taxes based on a value of $150,000 because of the Save Our Homes cap. But the minute you close that deal, the clock resets. Your taxes will be based on what you paid, not what they paid. Your tax bill could triple in the first year. You must call the county tax appraiser before you sign that contract and ask for an estimate of the post-sale taxes. If you don't, you are signing a blank check to the government. And what about the hidden fees? Have you heard of a CDD fee? It stands for Community Development District. It's a fancy way of saying the developer took out a loan to build the roads and the pools, and now you are the one paying it back. It shows up on your tax bill, and it can be $2,000 or $3,000 a year for the next 20 years. It is a mortgage on top of your mortgage. Then there is the cost of just living. Your car insurance? It's among the highest in the country because of the litigation and the weather risks. Your electricity? It's going up because you're running that AC 10 months out of the year. So, what is the actionable takeaway here? I am not telling you not to move to Florida. I am telling you to run the numbers for 2026, not 1996. Get an insurance quote first, before you put an offer on a house. Get a real quote for homeowners, flood, and wind insurance. If the total is more than 15% of your monthly retirement income, that house is a no. Verify the homestead exemption. Florida offers great breaks for seniors, up to $50,000 off your assessed value, but you have to apply for it. And if you're over 65 with a lower income, there are additional exemptions. Find them, claim them, and protect your cash. The HOA look back. Ask for the last 3 years of HOA meeting minutes. Are they talking about repairs? Are their reserves funded? If that reserve fund is empty, you are the one who will be filling it up with your life savings. You have worked too hard to let a hidden fee ruin your golden years. Be smart, be tough with your numbers, and remember, stand in your truth. If you can't afford the real cost of Florida, find a place where your money is respected. Because you are worth more than a zip code.